Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever turned on your electric oven, waited for several minutes, and realized that your food is still cold? The oven light is on, the timer is working, but the oven simply isn't heating. This is one of the most common problems homeowners face. And the good news is that many heating issues can be diagnosed without expensive tools or professional experience. In today's video, I'll show you the 5 most common reasons why an electric oven is not heating properly and explain what you can safely check before calling a technician. Let's get started. Before touching any part of the oven, always switch off the power at the wall outlet or circuit breaker. Electric ovens operate with high voltage, and your safety should always come first. Now let's look at the first and most common reason. Number 1. Check the heating element. The heating element is responsible for producing the heat inside your oven. Most electric ovens have 2 heating elements. One is located at the bottom of the oven for baking, while the second is located at the top for grilling or broiling. Over time, these elements can wear out because they repeatedly heat up and cool down during normal use. Open the oven door and carefully inspect both heating elements. A healthy heating element usually has a smooth black or dark gray surface. If you notice cracks, bubbles, burn marks, or broken sections, the heating element has likely failed. Another easy sign is during operation. Turn the oven on for a short moment and look through the oven window. Normally the heating element should begin glowing red after a few minutes. If it stays completely dark while the oven is switched on, it may need replacement. Fortunately, replacing a heating element is one of the easiest oven repairs and usually costs much less than replacing the entire appliance. Now let's move to the second possible cause. Number 2. Check the temperature settings. This may sound simple, but it happens more often than people think. Sometimes the oven is accidentally set to the wrong cooking mode. For example, the oven may be in grill mode instead of bake mode. Some ovens also have delayed start timers, demo modes, or child lock features that prevent normal heating. Carefully check the control panel. Make sure bake mode is selected. Verify the temperature setting. For testing purposes, set the temperature to around 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait several minutes and check whether the oven begins heating. If nothing changes, continue to the next step. Number 3. Test the oven thermostat. The thermostat controls the oven temperature. Its job is to monitor the heat inside the oven and tell the heating element when to switch on and off. If the thermostat becomes faulty, the oven may never receive the signal to heat. Common symptoms include food taking much longer to cook than usual, uneven baking results, or the oven remaining completely cold. If you own an oven thermometer, place it inside the oven and compare the actual temperature with the temperature shown on the control panel. A large difference may indicate a thermostat problem. Some modern ovens allow temperature calibration through the settings menu. If your oven supports this feature, adjusting the calibration may solve small temperature differences. However, if the thermostat has failed electrically, replacement is usually required. Now let's continue with another very common cause that many people overlook.